Skyway is a multi-level solution that can transform the transport sector and make human life easier and more comfortable. The scope of opportunities will expand and travel time will be reduced with the help of this high-tech transport system based on string technologies. Crowded traffic is no longer a problem. Automated modules capable to ride at speeds of up to 150 km per hour in the city and up to 500 km per hour outside the city move along a lightweight and slender overpass above highways. Plots of land previously inconvenient for construction will become attractive for creating new residential, industrial and business areas due to an increase in transport accessibility. Skyway cargo and passenger modules will make transport more intelligent and efficient with the help of a specialized automatic control system. Skyway infrastructure will organically fit into the architecture of the future and will effectively interact with the existing transport network. Lightweight and reliable routes arranged above the ground will connect a business center and residential quarters with a regular speedy line. Skyway will become an indispensable, reliable and economical link in the production chain as part of major transportation hubs and industrial centers. The string track system is the basis for the formation of an energy network operating on renewable energy sources. Construction of the Skyway multimodal transportation system triggers business development and sustainable growth without harming the environment.